Hello! I'm back with another Animal Crossing video. It's been like a month. Yeah, today I wanted to make an ice neighborhood. Yeah, the theme of my island is pretty much forest core. As you can see, I don't know where I'm going. Through my forest. It's pretty much forest core, like Christmas core, forest core. And I kind of wanted to break it up a little bit and make like this section a little ice, a little Elsa moment. Ice castle. Gwen lives over here and then Sprinkle over here. I think I'll eventually make, I don't know if in this video I'm going to make Sprinkle's house and Gwen's house, like the inside and the outside ice, but I definitely want to do a neighborhood in this video. So yeah, enjoy the speed build. Can you two move? Take your conversation elsewhere. Go on, get. Gosh. I'm gonna push him. I'm gonna move him. I push. Oh, you can't. Alright, what are you guys saying? And a long time no see. How long has it been? A month? No, I've just been time traveling. I'm a time traveler. What do you mean you've been around? Yeah, that's right, I've been around. I understand. You've been playing while I've been sleeping. You could have just woke me up. Okay, bye. I love Bo. I mean, I guess you could stay there. Okay, back to the speed build. Why is this area popping today? I got Henry over here. We got Hopper. We got Gwen. I mean, this is Gwen's house, but we got Gwen. Oh, she's taking pics. She's taking pics of the tree. I hope she likes it. And then we have Bo over here, and that's where I want to put the chair. Come on, Bo. Eat your soup. Eat your ramen, your soup, your minestrone. I don't know. Eat it elsewhere. I'm not even kidding, guys. I waited like 7 minutes for him to move in real life. Anyway, back to the speed build. that is it. I think I'm done with the speed build. I think it turned out pretty good. I think it's really cute. I think it's really simple, just frozen little section with the little pops of brown for like, just so it goes with the forest core vibe a little bit. Don't mind all the stuff on the beach over there. That's not there. Anyway. Yeah, I think it has like a good amount of like sources of light with snowflakes and the Nova lights and the Christmas trees, the garden lights. I hope you guys liked it. Again, it's like nothing crazy. It's pretty simple. Yeah, so see you. Thanks for watching. Like it if you like it. Have a good night, guys.